What's going on, home chefs? Today's episode we have when you mix bacon, honey, and a little bit of cream together. In this recipe, you see how a few simple ingredients can make a great meal. First is the prep work, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley minced, and you have to create a spice mix. For the spice mix, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of Thai chili powder or crushed pepper flakes. Season 2 chicken breasts cut in half. Make sure all the pieces are flat for even cooking. To add more flavor to the chicken, we're going to add the slices to a marinade of 5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 7 tablespoons of honey, 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Marinate the chicken for 20 to 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, cook 8 pieces of thick bacon. After cooking the bacon, chop it up and set aside. You're going to use the same pan to cook the chicken. You'll need about 1.5 tablespoons of the bacon. Cook the chicken on medium heat for 3 minutes or until brown. After 3 minutes, flip the chicken and cook on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken is done, it's time to make the sauce. Clean out the pan you use for the chicken or a new pan. Add 4 ounces of chicken stock, 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and the rest of the marinade. Bring to a simmer and simmer for 7 minutes. Mix together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Add this to your sauce to thicken your sauce. Cook for 1 minute. Now add the chicken and whatever meat drippings from the plate to the sauce. Coat the chicken in the sauce, add the fresh parsley, and cook for 2 minutes. Serve the chicken right away. Top with the chopped bacon. Pour the sauce on everything.